Hey guys, I'm Brittney Rivers and welcome to my channel. So before I even start this video, I want you all to subscribe to my channel because I'm almost at 200 and that's my goal before 2019 is to get to 200 subscribers. So please do me a solid, okay? But anyway, this video is about 5 things that I really wish I would have known before I got my first my first frontal wig. So I actually wrote it down. I love writing things down. It just feels more real, and I don't know, I just like it more than using the notes app. Let's get into the video. So the first bullet point on my list is your lace gets dirty. And this comes from the glue and maybe makeup and anything else you're using on your face, but your lace gets dirty and it gets kind of dark. Like, I'm a darker girl, but the lace will get really dark and it'll just look weird on me. And it happens to everyone. So if your lace gets like glue on it and stuff, it'll be dark. To fix this, sometimes I don't want to take my wig off completely. So actually I kind of did this today. I use alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and like a towel. I use a sock today, and alcohol actually takes off glue. Well, like almost any kind of glue you use on your lace. So I use that. I put a little bit on the sock and I'll just rub it. And then I just flipped it up and kind of scrubbed it with this sock. And it took away some of the glue. Like, the glue will ball up depending on what kind of glue you're using. And it was right. Like, you clean the lace and it'll look better. But if you want like a real clean, then it also helps to just wash your hair. That will also clean the lace with shampoo or anything like that. So that's point 1. Your lace gets dirty. 2, it can come up. Like, let's say you just got your hair done. Like, it comes up sometimes. Your lace will start to come up. I usually use, when I'm doing the full lay down for my hair, I'm using Ghost Bond glue, like an actual lace glue. I don't know if you all know this, but Got2b glue is not actual glue, it's a gel. So I use actual glue. This actually kind of goes into my third point, but I usually treat the edges with Got2b glue. Like, I will literally take the Got2b glue, put a little bit on, and literally just smooth it down like it's edge control. To smooth down little pieces that may come up here and there. And it actually works. And maybe a little blow drying or whatever. So my third point is sometimes you have to alternate products. So I have the Got2b glue, these little travel size. I also have a big one. But I have the Ghost Bond glue. This Ghost Bond glue costs $21, but it lasts for a very long time. It lasts on your head, but this little bottle actually lasts a long time because you're not using just a lot each time. Even though you're using several layers, you're not using a lot. This cost me $21. I got a 3-pack of these for maybe $6, and the big one costs $6 by itself on Amazon. So I have that, and I also have the freeze spray. The freeze spray, I see a lot of good comments on it, but it hasn't worked very well for me personally. But I also have it. So between an installation, I may use both of these. So maybe one product doesn't work very well for you, but the other one may. Or maybe you may have to use them together. So, but let's say this is your first time and you can't afford to get $21 and $6. I would say go with this one. Well, I go with Ghost Bond glue, like an actual lace glue, because I work out. So when I get sweaty or my hair gets wet or anything, then it's gonna start to rise up. I've had my wig kind of shift backwards while I'm working out, because I had on Got2b glue. Got2b glue is not water resistant no matter what the package. Ouch. No matter what the package says, Got2b glue is not water resistant. So you won't be able to work out. You won't be able to swim with this. And even this works with swimming and working out, but I've tried to just wash my hair. I didn't want to re-glue my whole wig on, but I tried to wash my hair with Ghost Bond with my hair like stuck down using Ghost Bond, and it didn't work very well. So it still shift back, but that may be the shampoo interacting with it, but it works for everything else. And also with Ghost Bond glue, you're going to have to use more than one layer. One layer does not get the job. You add a layer, blow dry it until it's like it'll dry clear. Add another layer, blow dry it. Sometimes I use 2, sometimes I use 3. I think most people use 3, but it just depends like how lazy I'm feeling. So 4, even if you get your wig done like professionally or by anybody, you need a glue. I would say just go with the Got2b glue. So like I said, it can come up sometimes. So I would definitely say that it's better for you to have a glue on your own, so you can fix your hair when you need to. I know some people offer like frontal like maintenance or whatever, but they're basically just doing something so simple. Like, it's so many videos on it, so many YouTube videos on it. And actually installing a wig is pretty easy. Like, really, you guys. I would recommend everyone learn how to do it themselves, because frontals are so much maintenance and wigs are so much maintenance that you can't keep going back. Well, unless you have it like that. Like, you can't keep going back to get your hair done every, what, 2 weeks or something? But, and 5th, our last tip, or the last thing I feel like you all should know before you get a frontal or wig, is that it requires customization. So this means bleaching the knots, plucking the lace. I have a video on it, shout out to me, but like, it requires customization no matter what the seller says. No matter who you get it from, almost, it requires customization. Like, you need to pluck your lace, because like naturally our hair is not like that full, like not anyone's hair. Like, even looking at other cultures and races, their hair is nothing, like not as full as the way your lace usually comes. Like, I know personally my temples are a little thin, like they always have been. So when I pluck my lace, I try to pluck it like according to my hairline, and I actually have a video on it, so like I said, you may want to watch that. So 1, your lace gets dirty, clean that lace with rubbing alcohol. 2, it comes up, so I say use a little Got2b. You may want to cop a little Ghost Bond if you have a spare $20. 3, you may have to alternate products using both Ghost Bond, Got2b, or any kind of lace glue and Got2b. 3, oh, that is 3. 4, even if you get your hair done, you need to get a glue. Like, get a glue, please. Like, this one was only, what, $6? Get it, you know? And 5th, customization is important. I have a video on it, like I said, so, I mean, if you all have any questions, ask me. And, I mean, I believe that's it for 5 things you need to know before you get a frontal. I have way more tips, but I just wanted to get you all a quick little overview of what I feel like you all should know before you get your first frontal. So, or your first wig, whatever, where you're gluing it down. So, that's really it. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye, guys.